Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is Danica. I'm 32 years old from Navotas City, Philippines. I am single parent. I have one child, age 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and in Hong Kong for 6 months. I currently serve two adults and one healthy elderly. My duties are taking care of elderly, cooking Chinese food, doing all household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you.